Hello, everyone. This is my icebreaker assignment for the Toastmasters International. My name is Eduardo Jimenez, and this is a snapshot of my life. First of all, my grandparents. My grandparents, from my dad's side, immigrated from France to Mexico. My grandparents, from my mother's side, were living in Mexico. My mom and dad both were born in Mexico, but in different states. My mom was born in the federal district, and my dad was born in the state of Jalisco. I have two brothers, a younger and an older one, and a young sister. And I don't have any relatives living close by, although they do live in Mexico. I immigrated to the States in 1967, lived in LA for about 3 years, and then after that, my parents moved to San Diego, where we lived on Crosby Street, which is very close to Chicano Park. Later on, 1972, we moved to San Isidro, which is the border town that borders San Diego and TJ. After I turned 18, it was time to take on life. My first job was as teacher's assistant. Then I rented my first place in Oceanside for $350 a month. I enrolled at Southwestern College Community College, where I stayed for my associate degree, about 2 or 3 years. Then I moved to North Park, where I met my wife. I soon enrolled at San Diego State. We got married, my wife and I, and later on we became homeowners and started our family. A little bit about my wife. She is currently a court employee. She and I have been married for 18 years. We have two beautiful kids. My youngest is Melina. She is into sports and loves to sing. My oldest is Maya. She loves to read and would like to pursue a law career. My Toastmaster goals I would like to develop leadership skills and network, make a lot of friends, and become a resource to all of my peers. My future goals are to travel with my family to different places and enjoy life. A quote that I live by: enjoy the little things in life, for one day you may look back and realize they were the big things. Thank you for listening to my presentation. Hope you guys have a great day. Thank you.